Hello, my dear children. Today, let us learn English lesson of class 8. The supplementary reading, that is, the story of Dharmavyada, taken from the Mahabharata. Here in this story, Kaushika was proficient in the Vedic lore. He had forsaken home, means left home and his parents, and went to forest and pursued his studies, continued his studies to surpass means beat everyone in learning. One day he was disturbed by the loud twittering of a crane, that is bird, while he was studying. He glared at the bird and it was reduced to ashes. Kaushika was sorry for his anger, but was pleased and felt proud of his ascetic power. Here, ascetic means divine power. Here in this paragraph, we can understand that Kaushika went to a nearby town and stood before a house for alms. Alms means gifts or bhikshe we can say. The lady of that house delayed to bring alms as she was attending to her husband. Kaushika glared at her. Glared means staring at her. The lady told Kaushika that she was not a crane for his glare to burn her up. Kaushika was confused by her words. She told Kaushika that he might have mastered Vedic lore, but he did not know the mysteries of Dharma. She advised him to meet Dharmavyada of Mithila to learn the mysteries of Dharma. Here, mysteries means secrets of Dharma, rahasyagalu we can say. Kaushika was curious and went to Mithila. Paracesus. Kaushika met Dharmavyada in his meat shop. He welcomed Kaushika warmly. He said to Kaushika that the chaste woman must have sent him. Chaste means here religious or pure. The word of Dharmavyada stunned Kaushika. Stunned means shocked. Hitherto, Kaushika was full of conceit. Conceit means false pride, imagining that he was the only learned man. But then he realized that it was not so. That lady had referred to his killing the bird, and the meat seller told him that the lady had sent him. So he felt all these were the great persons. He requested Dharmavyada to reveal to him the mysteries of Dharma. Paragraph, we can understand that Dharmavyada has told Kaushika about the path he was following, to be truthful to one's own duty, to be patient and merciful, to be engaged in prayer and tapas, to have bath in rivers, to visit holy places, to appreciate the good qualities in others, to serve our parents, and the Guru who had bestowed means given knowledge to us. This is Dharma. These are the mysteries of Dharma, he says. Further, he said that he was following the hereditary profession of selling meat, but he had not killed animals. He did not cheat in business and never told lie. He had no enemies. He served his aged parents with devotion. He said, their blessings were my shield, means reward. Here in this paragraph, Dharmavyada took Kaushika to his home. and showed his parents and prostrated before them, bowed or respected before them. Kaushika also bowed to the aged couple. After meeting Dharmavyada, Kaushika's arrogance means we can say jamba, somewhat we say aham, evaporated means melted. His eyes were opened. He realized his dharma. Then he returned home and spent his days in the service of his parents and teaching others the Vedic lore. Last para of the lesson. After narrating this story, sage Markandeya told Yudhishthira that in every division of people there are enlightened souls who could guide even scholars and masters of Vedic teachings. Here the new words glossary. You can go through the glossary and understand it. Proficient means learned, stunned, shocked, grief, sorrow. Bestowed, given. Hereditary means inherited by birth. Glad, looked at with anger. Next, surpass means beat. Depressed means very sad. Cultivate, learn. Virtue means good quality. Hope you understood the explanation of this lesson. Now let us revise the question answers. Why was Kaushika very angry with the bird? While Kaushika was sitting under a tree studying Vedas, he was disturbed by the loud twittering of a crane. So he was angry with the bird. Second one, why did the housewife delay in giving alms to Kaushika? The housewife delayed in giving alms to Kaushika because she was attending to her husband who had just come home. Who did she advise Kaushika to meet? She advised Kaushika to meet Dharmavyada, who was living in Mithila. Why did Kaushika feel stunned at the words of Dharmavyada? Kaushika was stunned at the word of Dharmavyada because Dharmavyada told him that the chaste woman had sent Kaushika to him. Question. What did Kaushika do after his visit to Dharmavyada? After his visit to Dharmavyada, Kaushika spent his days in the service of his parents and in teaching Vedic lore he had mastered. Sixth one, what did sage Markandeya tell Yudhishthira at the end? At the end, sage Markandeya told Yudhishthira that in every division of people there are enlightened souls who can guide even scholars and masters of Vedic teachings. Roman number 2, first question. Narrate how Kaushika felt on listening to the lady. While the chaste lady told him that she was not the crane to be burnt at his glare, he wondered. He was confounded because he began to think how that lady knew that he had burnt the bird. What are the essentials of Dharma according to Dharmavyada? The essentials of Dharma according to Dharmavyada are: one should engage oneself in one's inherent duty, to be truthful, to be patient and merciful, not to be elated in happiness or depressed in difficulties, to be engaged in prayer and tapas, appreciate the good qualities in others, not to boast, to have bath in sacred rivers, to visit holy places, and to serve our parents and the Guru who has bestowed knowledge on us. And the third question, what can we learn from the story of Dharmavyada? Though we have divine power, we should not misuse it. We must appreciate good qualities in others. We should serve our parents and Guru. We should Know that in every division of people there are enlightened souls who can guide even scholars and masters of Vedic teachings. Children for listening. Write the question answers in your notebook and revise them.